In this video, I'll show you how to share a video on a friend's Facebook profile step by step. If the video's privacy settings allow sharing and your friend allows others to post on their timeline, you can share a video directly to their profile. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Find the video you want to share by browsing your newsfeed or opening the original post. Tap the Share button below the video to open the sharing options. Next, select Share to a friend's profile or Write on friend's profile, depending on your app version. Choose the friend you want to share the video with from your friends list. Before posting, you can add a personal message or caption to explain why you're sharing the video. Review everything carefully, then tap Post or Share to publish it on your friend's profile. If you don't see the option to share to a friend's profile, the original post may have restricted sharing, or your friend's timeline settings may prevent others from posting on their profile. In that case, you can still share the video privately by selecting Send in Messenger from the Share menu. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.